Next question is represent under root 2 on number line. How to represent it? Just you see 2 I am writing like this. 2 is equal to what? 1 plus 1. Now what I am doing, see here. Carefully you see under root 2 square. I am taking square root and square. Okay. Square root and square. Square root and square. Okay, this is looking like h square is equal to b square plus p square. By this, what is h? H is root 2. What is b? B is 1. And what is p? P is 1. All are in any units. Okay, now see. I am taking one number line here of 1 unit. See here, I am taking inch type. Like 0 is this is of 1 inch. Okay, this is of 2 inch, you take it by inch scale. Then what to do? Draw 90 degree with help of scale. I am drawing like this only. This is your 90 degree. Okay, then whatever is 1 inch here, like this, this is my 1 unit. I am measuring with help of compass. See, from here to here I am measuring it, and same 1 unit I am cutting from here. This. Okay. If this is your A point, this is your B point, I am marking C point here. Okay, this is your point C. Now I am joining A and C. I am joining A and C like this with help of scale. Okay, like this scale I am having. I am joining it with A and C, like in this way. Okay, then I am measuring it. AC, you measure it well and put it down up to on your number line. Your number line is like this. Okay, this is the point P. Okay, this is 1 unit, and this is under root 2 units. Okay, now AP shows your under root 2 unit on number line. Yes, next question is represent under root 3 on number line. First of all, what we know, 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. Can I write like this? Is it okay? Now 3 I am writing in this way, under root 3 square. Okay, both are the same. Here 2 can I write under root 2 square. Then 1 can I write under root 1 square. Then I am going to compare it by a Pythagoras formula. That is h square is equal to b square plus p square. Now on comparing, what? H will be root 3, b will be root 2, and p will be root 1. Root 1 can I write 1? Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am drawing one line here. On number line I am drawing one line and taking like this here 0. Okay, and using my inch scale this side, so I'll take 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and here is 3. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This is your number line. Now I am going to draw 90 degree here. 90 degree I am going to draw. Okay, this is your 90 degree. Now then take one unit. This is 1 unit, no? 1 unit here. this is like this, measured, this is measuring, then after where I am cutting, just you see here. Okay, then with help of scale you join it. I am joining here, see. Okay, now remove this, then you can label it, what, A, B, and this is your point C. I am going to extend this. Okay, now I am going to draw one more 90-degree here on point C. I am taking any arc, drawing any arc here like this, then like this. Now I'm going to draw this here like in this way. Okay, this is the thing. Then again, what to do, you have to take one unit, like your 1 inch what you're taken, see here, the same 1 unit you take it and cut one arc. This is the arc I am drawing by different color. Okay, this is the arc, and you join it again by joining like this. You have to join with O and make it this point D. This is point D. At last, what you have to do, actually this is your 1 unit, this is your 1 unit, this is under root 2 unit, and this will be under root 3 unit. But what is our question? Represent under root 3 on number line. For that, what? Now, put needle of your compass at point O and measure up to D. Okay, and then you draw one arc like this. Okay, I am making dark. This is your arc. I am making dark with pen. This is the arc and meeting at point Q. This is under root 3. I can say AQ is equal to under root 3 units. Yes, the next question is represent under root 5 on number line. Same thing, how what we have to write, 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. Okay, perpendicular always 1 unit. Okay, now what can we write? Under root 5 square is equal to under root 4 square plus under root 1 square. Okay, now write which formula? Pythagoras formula, h square is equal to b square plus p square. Then what is h? H is under root 5. What is b? B is under root 4. Under root 4 means what? 2 units. Okay, and what is p? P is under root 1. And what is under root 1? 1 unit. Under root 5 units. Okay, then again you draw one line. The same thing. You draw one line. This time see, under root 5 is bigger one, no? So don't use 5 inch. You can take centimeter scale. Centimeter scale now. This time I am taking centimeter scale here. This time I am taking centimeter scale 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what to do? What to do? Base I have to take, see, 0 1 2. First of all I am making here 3 4. Then base you have to take 2, base 2, this 2. It means point A is this and point B is this. Then you have to draw 190 degree. Draw 190 degree with help of scale directly. Okay. Then 1 unit perpendicular. 1 unit means 1 centimeter. Like this. Then join this two. You can join it. Okay, this is the arc. Now then, think it, what will be? AB is your 2 units, this is 1 unit, and this will be √5 unit. Then what to do? You have to measure it. How can we measure? Just you see. Like this. Okay. Then put needle here, put needle here and cut one arc down. This point R I am putting R. Okay, then AR will be under √5 units. This is the way to get the numbers on number line. Next question is, you have to represent under √10.5 on number line. Okay, so we cannot represent directly. So for what to do, I am going to draw one line which is length is of 10.5 centimeter. Okay, with help of scale. Okay, so this point A is your 10.5. I am taking this point O here. Okay, after that I am adding one centimeter more, adding one more centimeter. This is point B. Okay, additional 1 centimeter, and this is of your 10.5 centimeter. Okay, now then what to do? Now see what I am going to do. I am trying to draw perpendicular bisector of AB. Open more than half of this line segment, one up and one down. From this side also, from this side I am putting needle on A. I am cutting arc. This is going down. How can I show? See here, this is looking like this. I can now easily visible. Okay, then draw line and try to get middle point of this. Okay, you will get this point P. I am making this point P. Take P as a center and draw one semicircle which passes from point A and B. This A, now check, and B. Yes, it is okay. This is B. Okay, now I am trying to draw one semicircle like this. Okay, like this. Okay, then you draw one perpendicular from point O, 90 degree for point O. Make it 90 degree here. Okay, and this is your point C, and extend it, try to make it one scale, no, extend this line and make it scale here. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, up to where? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now what to do? You measure this OC with help of compass, measure like this, and then you what to do? Draw one arc like this. This is your point, this point is Q. Then OQ distance is representing here under root 10.5 units on number line. Okay.